you know about patent rights, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And how
Mm-hmm. To
people
own the whatever
your
invention or
idea,
yeah,
yes.
yeah,
I mean,
you
and
you
how
have
easy it is these days for
for people
people
to
to just.
steal it.
The
Yes,
amazing thing is they just pick from here, pick from there,
put
put it
it
together,
together.
tweak it a bit, and
There's
it's
a
it.
there's a
And
there's a whole new
I mean, it's it's
innovation.
it's 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 a different thing when they just pick it and make it their own. But some of them just pick everything you have made
Mm-hmm.
and use it as it is, just that
Yeah,
they call it their own.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well, we actually have. I mean, patents are very, it's a big thing in the United States of
Mm-hmm.
America, yes. So we have an African American, a
Mm-hmm.
black lawyer, who
Mm-hmm.
has launched a low cost program to teach entrepreneurs how to protect their brand.
Wow, that's a very important thing to be known by people who want to be entrepreneurs and own a particular product of theirs. All right.
Well, it's this is actually by LeTonya F. Moore.
Mm-hmm.
She's a lawyer and she's the managing partner of Southern Regional Law Group,
Mm-hmm.
which is a black-owned brand protection firm that has extended their intellectual property services.
Okay.
And with their team of attorneys and intellectual property practitioners, they can help alleviate the frightening, frustrating, and time consuming chore of dealing with the United States Patent and Trademark Office throughout the legal proof of your business.
Mm. Okay.
Now, this is actually under their Legal Proof Your Business Emerging Entrepreneurs Program.
Mm. Okay.
So, the firm's intellectual property collaborative team provides guided trademark and copyright assistance, such as counseling, registration support, application preparation, and filing, along with the formation and organization of entities, including LLCs and non-profits.
Right. Okay.
Now, she's actually offering 3 important tips for those who are dealing with the fear of involving their intellectual property.
Mm.
First, she says don't skimp on protecting your intellectual property.
Mm. All right.
Because she believes the longer you take in risking it, especially if you're in the open market,
Mm-hmm.
it won't be long and someone will just grab the very same thing you've started.
Idea. Mm-hmm.
And then, yes, they will use it and you
Mm.
won't be able to get it back without recourse. And nothing is more painful than you having started something, someone comes to take it and they rather go and put a patent on it.
Yeah, and if you try doing anything contrary or trying to do the same thing, you get
You're
sued.
gone. That is
And you
the
get
thing.
paid for you go pay
Somebody else for taking your
idea. Oh, what I go. Okay.
Yeah, and she believes you have to know all your options because in many cases, most of the business owners think that they need services that they do not need. And they are unaware that there are payment options available to make protecting your intellectual property rights attainable
Right.
for just about any budget.
Okay. All
And
right.
thirdly, and most important, she believes you should ask for help.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you should reach out to any intellectual property attorney or other practitioners who can help you deal with and understand the complexities surrounding your intellectual property needs.
I think. Mm-hmm.
For me, this is good. This is
Very.
awesome because as much as we haven't taken it serious, it's a big
It's
deal
a big
happening.
thing.
Yes.
I mean, most of the innovators, the inventors we've been talking about on the show, dating back, you'd realize that most of them, one of the things that is most talked about in their journey to, bring out whatever it is they invented has to do with patenting, right? It patented and patented and patented and made it their own. So nobody else can buy or steal their ideas.
Yeah, and even we've had stories, where we've had some big names in different industries that it's been contested that they actually took the ideas from
Yeah.
some
Yeah.
slaves they had then,
Mm,
but these slaves could not read or write, and they definitely didn't have a way of patenting their
Oh, yeah,
ideas.
who did they talk to? I mean, they're slaves, so who cares about their opinion and what they think? I think a friend of mine just a couple of days ago, he was actually into this. He's this graphic designer, but he has this mind of creating some of these little things that you think it's just nothing, but at the end of the day, it's a great idea he's bringing up. And currently, I think he's been awarded a contract of coming up with some unique kind of key holder for the administration of UDS. Something to identify this block and then the key and whatever it is. So he was even talking about patenting it. So he spoke to an attorney, and the one man told him that the particular shape that he has is already in the system. So he should alternate it a bit and then, because you never know, even though he had a unique way of doing of
Someone has
presenting
already
it.
beat him
So
to it.
exactly, so this is how it works. Well, here I would think it's nothing. You just get up one day and you form an idea. Brilliant. But check and protect it, because that's your source of livelihood.